I want to thank the guys at ANTA for sending me these beautiful running shoes with PG7 technology. So what's important about this shoe is that this shoe is really, you can run anywhere, but if for those of you who are running treadmills or running out in the street, right, this will absorb all the shocking. It keeps the midsole, right, this center area midsole keeps the peak gravity under 8. So when you hit that ground really hard, it's the sole, this really rigid sole, it's meant to absorb all the pounding so that it's not absorbed by your feet and of course your joints. So this is specifically made for, I think, street running. So this is for those the street running people out there, my peeps. This has that. The insole is memory foam insoling, really well made, right? Also, it has reflective, you can see it right here, but it has, these are reflective strips so that if you're running outside during the night and a car lights its, shines its light on you, that they can see you. And it's made for non-slip, that this surface right here is non-slip, okay? So it is supposed to deal well if you're running out there at night, but also in the rain, okay? So really well made shoe. But not only that, because this is also beautiful, a beautiful shoe. Elegant, beautiful. What else do you want, man? Love it. Thank you at the guys for sending this so that I can take a look, and I'm gonna be hitting the pavement with these.